The first line of cross-examination is, you knew him so well, but I bet you didn't know that he had an opioid problem, did you? I bet you didn't know that he had outright stolen about $8 million from his clients and his law firm. Did you know that? Did you know he persuaded someone to shoot him in the head to try to get insurance benefits? You knew him so well, but you didn't know that, did you? That's exactly where the cross can go.
100%. I mean, this has turned itself into a character trial, which is kind of unfortunate, I think, for the prosecution. They may have gotten a little too cute by half by trying to introduce all of that financial crimes evidence, because they've really turned it into a character trial. And now it's going to come down to a question for jurors, partially at least. Does he have the motive to do this? Based upon his character, based upon all the evidence we've heard about him before now, the troubles that he was dealing with, but also being such a good person, do we believe this is the type of person to commit this crime? And I don't know if that is the direction the prosecution intended when they first started out on this trial.
Mr. Ritter, you are familiar with motive evidence that under some circumstances would be disallowed because it touches on one's prior reputation or past bad acts, typically disallowed at trial unless it proves motive, course of conduct, frame of mind. True? Yes, no? Isn't that true?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so it can come in. A bad act can come in to show motive, frame of mind, course of conduct, intent, yes?
Yes, but I think where the prosecution may have some trouble here is, what is that motive? I'm having trouble connecting the dots of, he was in a bunch of financial trouble, he had some drug problems, and therefore that caused him to kill his wife and child. Where is the benefit to his life by ending their lives?
I can tell you that.
I don't think that is...
I can tell you that, Joshua. And I don't know that the prosecution is going to state this plainly, but as another lawyer said, and I'm quoting him, problem solving. He had a massive multi-million-dollar lawsuit filed against his family because of his son, now murdered, was drunk as a skunk and high as a kite on a boat, and a beautiful young girl, Mallory Beach, goes spinning off the boat to her death. That lawsuit, guess what? After Paul's murder, that suit was settled.